Hey guys, Makeupbyjalesse. You already know what to do. I hope you hit that subscribe button before you start watching this. In today's video, I will transform this wig into some balayage highlights, or however you want to put it. I just wanted to just be creative. I wanted to try to, test my dyeing skills. So I'm gonna go ahead and, do that with this wig. So while you're watching, you can see that in order to highlight, I'm not a professional, but this is what I saw from YouTube. Don't quote me on it. You have to weave in and out of the hair. So as you can see, that's what I did. I was weaving in and out of the hair so it can create that highlight. I don't know too sure if I did it right or not, but we're gonna see in the end. So this wig is actually from Amazon. A company sent it to me and was just like, hey, here you go. So I got creative, range to just do whatever I wanted to do with the hair. So I'm using some bleach, of course, with the 40 developer to do this. I had my mixing of how I mix the bleach together, but I don't know where that clip is. I can't find it to save my life, but we just gonna go ahead and just just keep it moving. So again, this is bleach. I used some powder bleach with a 40 developer, and I'm just bleaching this hair. So I was running out of space, so I decided to fold it, but then I realized if I fold it, I'm not going to get all the color. The bleach is not going to catch the hair. So I had to end up getting it all on my gloves, and then I folded it, and then to make sure, you conceal that bleach in the foil. So that's what it does. I heard that foil makes it take easier. Don't quote me on that. If I'm wrong in the comment sections, I like critique. You can help me. But I heard that it's supposed to help with the color and make the color change a little bit faster. So that's what I'm doing. So again, please make sure you have gloves on. This bleach will burn your fingers. It will burn the inside of your nails. Don't do it without gloves. So again, I'm weaving in and out with a rat tooth comb just to kind of create that highlight that I'm looking for. And again, it's just a simple technique. It's a definitely repetitive process. So it's like once you see how I do it the first time, it's pretty much self-explanatory for the rest. But I'm just going to show you guys how I bleached it. This is very time consuming, you guys. I want to let you know that right now. You will be spending hours doing this, and then especially if the color doesn't come out exactly the way you want, because sometimes it doesn't always do that, especially when you're going from like jet black hair to trying to bleach it like this. It's going to take a couple rounds, especially when you're not a professional. I'm not a professional, and I don't claim to be. Not a hairstylist. I'm just having fun, being creative, and trying my thing at highlights. So again, I'm letting you guys know I had to do this process twice to get the color that I wanted, because it was very brassy. It was very orangey, and I do not like it. I still kind of feel like at the end you will see that it still was a little brassy, but it kind of blended in with my skin tone, and I really like the color. So again, I'm just doing the same process, weaving in and out, bleaching, and this is the process of it. So you can do it the same way all around the wig. It just depends on how you want your wig to look. I was kind of going for the balayage. How do you say that? Is it balayage or is balayage? I used to always say balayage, but then I heard somebody say balayage. I don't know. I don't know. But like I said, I'm not a professional, but I don't know what I was really going for. I was trying to do some highlights, but then it looked like I just totally transformed this whole wig, just a different color and a little black patch in the back. But it's okay, because I'm not a professional, and I don't care. You can talk about me because I'm not a topic. And if, I'm just kidding. If I messed up, look, I messed up. But this is, again, just a trial and error. So this is my finished product after I am done with the whole head. I'm going to go ahead and I left that in for 2 hours. No, I'm lying. Don't quote me on that. I left it in for an hour and 25 minutes. This is what it looks like. It was actually turning really fast. I was like having to hurry up, have it be Speedy Gonzalez, because I'm like, come on, this hair is turning. So I'm just rinsing it out. Make sure you rinse it out really good. I have a problem with just rinsing and washing hair in general. Product is always still stuck in my hair and my wigs, but this is bleach. You do not want to keep it in there because it will make the hair fall out. So just take your time with washing it. Make sure you don't have any bleach in the cap, and so it won't get on your natural hair and all that good stuff. So I'm washing this in warm water because I cannot wash hair in cold water. It's just not me. It's just not my thing. So I'm going in with my favorite shampoo and conditioner set. Spent almost $24 a bottle, and that's why I don't even know why I'm using it on this wig, because I usually use it on my own hair, my real hair. Stuff expensive, okay? But I decided to use it today because we are bleaching, and then this shampoo and conditioner really helps with a lot of moisture, and it really softens up the hair. So I was like, why not? Why not? I am so hungry. My stomach is growling. I think I'm like talking over just to make sure you don't hear my stomach growling. It is growling, and I'm hungry. So after this, I will be getting me something to eat. So again, just making sure I saturate that whole wig with shampoo, and then I'm going in with some purple shampoo. This is the generic version because the sister don't want to pay all that money for the rest, and it's probably not that much, probably like $14. But look, it's 14 and 5. Which one are we gonna go? We're gonna go for the 5. Okay, I'm going for the 5 because it works just as good as the $14, $15, $20 bottles. Okay. So I'm saturating that wig, and then actually I'm going to let this sit a little bit just so it can capture that color and not make it so brassy, because we hate brassy hair. So I'm just making sure I just get all the color, all just make sure I moisturize all the parts that have color and the whole entire wig, and I'm gonna let it sit for I think 20 minutes. And then I went ahead and rinsed it out. And then I went and put some conditioner in, and then I left this conditioner in for maybe like 10 minutes, just so I can make sure the hair wouldn't come out really dry. Because again, when you're bleaching hair, I probably said it a little bit earlier, the hair can become very, very dry and brittle. So just want to make sure you deep condition, whether it's natural hair, weave hair, wig hair, just make sure you condition it really good. So after all that is done, again, like I said, I did it twice, and this is the result of doing it twice. It's still a little brassy, but it has some peekaboo of highlight, like Mufasa. Anyway, so I'm going in with some makeup just to apply the wig, you guys. As far as coloring, that was it. I'm just going to show you a quick little routine of how I styled the hair. You guys, I thought I damaged this hair so bad because when I came to drying, I put it in the dryer. I was only supposed to leave it on there for 20 minutes. I ended up leaving it there for a whole hour. That hair was mangled and matted all over the place. I was like, I destroyed it. I ruined it. But then I got up this morning. I'm like, you know what? We gonna make it do what it do, okay? We gonna make it do what it do. We gonna try our best. And I feel like this stuff is pretty self-explanatory. You guys seen me lay wigs before. This looks a mess. Look at the roots. Anyways, we gonna press through. We gonna keep pressing through. Never give up. Never stop. Can't stop, won't stop. And we're gonna just clone this nappy stuff out. And we're gonna just revive it and give it some life. Add some oils, just touch up the roots. We're going to do all of that to this beauty, and we are going to trust the process. So again, I love to press my roots because it gives that natural hair, and you don't want no humps and lumps and clumps all over your wig. So make sure with any wig, you guys, with any style, when you wash it, everything, press the roots. Press the roots. I used to not do that, and I used to be wondering why my hair was lumped and clumped. You don't press the roots. So you just got to make sure you peel back every single layer and you press those roots. And then sometimes if the big wigs are big, I feel like I'm talking too much, but this is very educational. I feel like if the wigs are too big, you're going to need a lot of pressing. So press on, sister, press on. So I'm going to just pluck it a little bit more. I have plucked it off camera, and I'm not a good plucker, but I feel like I'm getting a little bit better than I used to be, because these wigs used to look like helmets on my head, okay? So I'm just plucking just to give it a little more of a natural hairline. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. And as natural as it's going to get, because I am not a plucker either. But so now I'm just going to straighten this hair. We're going to do just a straight 90s layer kind of thing. And I'm trying to determine if I'm using my Tymo or my flat iron. I'm going to use both because the Tymo, is it Tymo or Tyco? Tymo helps press the roots. And the flat iron presses the hair, baby. So we're going to add a little oil because she is very dry. Don't hate she's dry. And I'm being honest, she's dry. She's very dry. Like the desert dry. She's dry. But add some oil, add a little heat. She comes silky, okay? So I'm just going to flat iron this whole entire unit all around. As you can see, the color is popping. Yeah, I have doubts. I have doubts, but it's okay because look at that. Look at that. It's giving CC, okay? So I'm just going to cut some little layers in it to kind of give it like a little 90s vibe because I really didn't know what I wanted to do with this hair. But she's giving CC. She's giving Sierra. So I'm kind of feeling that on my chocolate skin. Now, as you guys can see, and you will see, this side is lighter than this side, but it's going to do what it do. It's going to do what it do. And I'm not going to even stress about it, okay? We know we good. We good here. Again, like I said, I'm a beginner. I am not a professional. Don't claim to be. If you want to follow me, you can, or you just you're here for entertainment, whatever it is, it's going to do what it do. Okay. And this is the final result. I'm talking too much. Okay. I love it. I don't care if I botched the one side or not, baby. Honey, she's honey. She's pushing all the way through with the little layers and stuff. Oh, you can't tell me nothing. At more practice, I am going to be a professional without a license. Professional. I am in love with this unit. And my sister's walking by like, girl, that is bomb. She didn't even care about all of that. She was like, it's bomb. It's cute. Flat, press, silk straight, not even dry. I did it. And more, I'm gonna keep coming back because practice makes perfect. I'm not gonna give up. I know some flaws that I have done in the wig, but it's okay because practice makes perfect. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.